In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail password in computer. This quick walkthrough will help you update your password safely and confidently using a standard web browser on your computer. Start by opening your browser and signing into your Yahoo Mail account. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site and that the address bar shows a secure connection. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Hover your mouse over that icon to reveal a small menu, and then click on Manage Your Account. This takes you to your Yahoo account settings, where all your key security options live. Next, go to the Security section. On this page, find the area labeled Ways of Signing In. Under that, click Password. Yahoo will bring up the password change screen where you can enter your new password. Take a moment to choose something strong and memorable. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information that's easy to guess. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and store a unique password so you don't have to remember it. Type your new password carefully, then confirm it in the second field to make sure there are no typos. When you're confident everything looks correct, click Continue to save the change. Yahoo will process your update and display an on-screen confirmation letting you know the change was successful. As an added security measure, Yahoo will sign you out of all devices. This is normal and helps protect your account by ensuring only you can sign back in with the new password. After that, return to your browser and log back into Yahoo Mail using your new password. You'll also need to sign in again on any other devices or apps where you use Yahoo Mail, such as your phone or email clients. If you run into a sign-in prompt anywhere, just use the password you just set. To recap the experience, you signed in, went to manage your account from the profile icon, opened the security section, selected password under ways of signing in, entered and confirmed a strong new password, and saved the change. You saw a confirmation, and Yahoo logged you out everywhere for safety. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.